Hey friends, let's do Love Will Lead You Back guitar lesson by Taylor Dayne. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts and do the solo at the end. All the on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And with this one we have the capo on the first fret. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, we've got the capo on the first fret. So when I say second fret, we're actually meaning the third. So D string, 2, 4, open G, second fret on the G, C major 7, do that little run again. Then we're going to a C major 9 chord. So we're going to have the third fret on the A string, open D, fourth fret on the G, first fret on the B and open E. Then come back to a C6 9, so we're just taking our little finger off the fourth fret and we have the second fret on the G string there and the rest stays the same. So we have, do our little run again to G, then we're just playing the B string, G, D and third fret. And that's our intro there. Then we have our verse, we play that for you. So we're just doing a down, 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 up, down, 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 up there, and that's a bar, and we start on the G and do that for a bar. Then we have C over G, so just play the C chord and add the G, third fret on the E string for a bar. Then we're doing an A minor 7 over G, so just play the A minor 7 and add the G on the third fret on the E string again. Back to G and we do it 2 bars here. And again. Back to our C over G. Now this time we're just doing the A minor 7 over G for half a bar, so down, down, down. Then we're going to this E flat diminished chord here. So we're going to have the first fret on the D, second on the G, first on the B and second on the E in half a bar. And then go back to E minor and we're going to do 3 counts here. So 1, 2, 3 and then jump to D for 1 count there. So we play that last little part from the A minor 7 over G. So our E flat diminished to E minor. And that's our verse there. Then we have our pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting with C and doing that for a bar. G for a bar. Then we're going to this C sus 2 and we have a sharp 11. So we're going to play third fret on the A string, open D, open G, third fret on the B and play the second fret on the G and do a pull off to the open. And then we're just playing the C major 9. We're doing it slightly different. This time we have third fret on the A, open D, fourth fret on the G, third on the B and open E, and then just come back to the second fret on the G, and then we have an E sus 4, 2 count there, E7, back to E sus 4. So we play that again for you. Chorus. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page to help keep the channel going, and there's a link in the description. So let's get back into it. So we just have a C major 7 for a bar. To our C major 7, same as the intro, we just do a down, down, up, to the C6, 9, down, down, up. Now we're going to a C add 9, so just take your finger off and have the open G string there, down, down, up, back to our C6, 9. So, to G for a bar. Now we do E sus4 for 1 count, E7, then we go into this E11 flat 13, so just take the E7 and move it up a fret, one count again there, and then we're just adding our little finger onto the 4th fret on the G string. So from the E sus4, then we repeat that all again, our C major 7. Little fill there, G for a bar. Now this time we go for F for a bar, C for half a bar, D11, so just our first finger on the 1st fret on the B string there, and don't play the E and the A string. 2 count, a G for a bar, and finish on a G major 7, and that's our chorus there. From there we go back to our verse, we do that the same, our pre-chorus the same, and our chorus the same. Then from there we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's play the solo rhythm first. So we're just starting F, do a bar there, to a B flat sus2, repeat that again, F, B flat sus2, now do F for half a bar, C over E, D minor 7, back to C, and they're all half a bar there, and that's our solo rhythm. As we said, we'll do the solo at the end. Then we have the next pre-chorus, let me play that for you. So we're starting with the B flat just for a bar, do F over A for a bar. Now we're playing 1st fret on A, 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B and the E, play that once, and then just go back to the 2nd fret on D, show you. Then we're coming here, we're going to go the 1st fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G, 3rd fret on the B, open E, and then just add the 2nd fret on the G there. So, back to D11 for a bar. Now we're coming up here, we're going to play the open D string. Now we have 5th on the G, 5th on the B and 7 on the E there. So it's really 6, 6 and 8, but because we've got the capo we say 5, 5 and 7, play that once. Then open D, 5, 5 and 5. Then come back to open D, 4 on the G, 5 on the B and 3 on the E, so a D minor shape there. Then come back up, open 5, 7, 5. So that little run there. Then we have our last chorus, let me play that for you. So we're just starting the chorus exactly the same, C major 7. Then we're just playing the next two chords the same and then putting the stop. Stop and then to our G. So the same as our previous chorus. E sus4, E7, E11 flat 13 and then up to our E7 flat 13. Back to our C major 7, so exactly the same now as our first chorus. To G, to F, to C for half a bar, D11 half a bar, G a bar, then go back to our E sus4, our E7, move up, and then just finish the chorus the same. G, the F, finish on the C, just one strum, D11, to the G, and then our G major 7 to finish off there. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. Let me play it for you, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start with the 7th fret harmonic on the B string, jump to the 9th fret harmonic on the A string, and back to the 7th fret harmonic on the B. Do a bend and release on 18 on the E, and then B, 19, 16. And then we have this little run up, B, 14, 16, E, 14, do 2 bends on 16 E. Let it come down and then 14 E to B, 16, 14, to G, 15, 13, to D, 16, and then A, 16, slide to 18. Then we do that little run again, 14, 16, 14 E, do a bend on 16 E, just play 16 E, and then E string, 13, 14, 16, 13, B, 14, G, 13, to 15 on the D, 16 on the A, then do a bend on 14 on the B, and then to finish off come up to 18 on the E, 18, 19, 21, and then bend on 21. And that's our solo there. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed Love Will Lead You Back guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.